The construction industry always faces challenges, especially during rainy days. Workers strive to accomplish their tasks in order to meet project timelines. However, during the rainy season, when construction is still in its early stages, progress often declines. That's why, as soon as the sun comes out, the industry takes advantage of the weather to proceed with concreting activities, even if the soil is still wet. In some cases, this leads to difficulties, such as concrete mixer trucks getting stuck in the mud. In this video, for example, we can see a backhoe trying to pull a concrete mixer out of the wet ground. Please don't forget to subscribe, likes, comments, and share this video.